Good morning. Today we're in Yuba City. I would like to give you a tour of our garden. I'm Gail with Shake and Grow. You can visit our website www.shakeandgrow.com. The Bird of Paradise. It's in various stages of bloom. There's some double flowers on this Bird of Paradise. We mix container gardening in with our regular garden, our regular landscape. Japanese maple. Lots of geraniums in full bloom. Purple rhododendron. Blooms are nice and big. Geraniums that have covered the hill here in two different colors. In the backyard we have several varieties, actually 32 varieties of roses along our fence line here. They range in age from 1 to 25 years old. You'll remember in one of our other videos that we cut them back a foot to 2 feet from the ground a few months back, and they've had Shake and Grow 3 times. We're entering the prayer garden here. Some of the flowers are still closed up in their sleeping state. We have bearded iris in multiple colors. The aloe vera is getting ready to bloom. Japanese maple, peaches and cream. Lots of flowers in containers. In the back porch, we have geraniums in containers, ferns, the herb garden, or geraniums. Plants in various different stages. The cloned rose, Marina. That's one of the roses that was cloned from the rose garden, kumquat tree. Our lime tree is a seedless lime and it's 8 years old. The lemon in the container is a Meyer lemon. These are pea roses, those little teacup roses. This is our Shake and Grow shade house, and we do a lot of experimenting with Shake and Grow, with and without. This is a California poppy that's grown in a tube. You'll notice the roots, you can see them. And We've grown vegetables, a real assortment of other plants in these tubes. Purple ghost cone plants. And then the big tree in the back is a dogwood, and the flowers are very unique and different. Its bloom cycle is finishing up, but we still have some open blooms on it that we can show you. They're closing up, but they're very pretty, the dogwood. We use Shake and Grow on everything in our backyard. This is the view of the roses from the big tree. Now let's go over to the citrus. Large tree. Right in front of us is the pomelo, mandarin, and the seedless blueberry, blackberry, sorry. Some blooms on that. We have another pomelo, mandarin. You'll notice the clusters. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of the backyard. Most everything in our backyard's been treated 3 times with Shake and Grow. It does work on any living plant as long as it's growing, and you have a root system, a healthy root system. You can visit our website www.shakeandgrow.com for more information. Thank you.